You know you lit. Every day we lit. Yeah. Every day we lit. Yeah. Every day.
What's up, Team King? It's your girl Beth, and I'm back with another video. This morning I'm heading to Staples so I can print some stuff off my little husband, and then after that I'll be headed home. I already went to Publix this morning and did what I needed to do as far as doing some little breakfast food like I'm always doing, y'all. I gotta excuse these glasses. I'm gonna get rid of them. I already told my husband that I'm gonna get me some contacts, because I think I'll have them so long now started loosening up.
Check it out, right?
And I may do,
You gotta go grab it.
hold on y'all, let me get my card. But I may do me a little skin regimen for my face that I seen online. I may do that, because I'm starting to break out right here and over here from my birth control that I've been using. So I gotta get something to fix. And then I seen on YouTube some turmeric and yogurt and something else that worked, and I also seen that the aloe vera plant worked too. So I'm gonna try that out, give it a try and see what it do. I'm gonna do it for like 5 to 7 days, and if y'all want me to, you could drop comments below and let me know if you want me to do it on camera, and I'll have that footage for you. Well, okay, y'all, I'm gonna get this done and I'll see y'all at home. Okay, y'all, I'm back now. I done came in the kitchen. Child was relaxing all day because I've been tired for the most part. But I came in the kitchen now. And I'm gonna make me some wings with the Huda. I think this is breading. And then I got the other stuff, the sauce, the wing sauce right here, you know, that I'm gonna be making these little wings with. I already done cleaned them and stuff, but I'm not gonna be, you know, showing y'all what I'm doing on camera. I basically just came on here to talk to y'all while I do what I need to do and get it done, because I thought I was gonna be making breakfast earlier, but I didn't. So I'm gonna just get to doing what I'm doing now. Y'all, we had so much fun yesterday. I couldn't even record a whole lot of stuff. Here go the chicken in here, y'all. I already done cleaned it, but yeah, I couldn't even record because I just had so much stuff going on. We was having so much fun, and you know, you just can't record every moment when you're having fun. You get so caught up in what you're doing. But the crabs was good that Mr. Darryl made. Gma had a great time. She enjoyed herself. That was the great part about it, that she actually enjoyed herself and was happy to see another year. Because most people dread getting older, but I think you should look at the, you know, the part that, you know, God spares you to see another year. You blessed, in good health for the most part. So I don't think you should, you know, I want to live a long time. Now, I don't know if I want to live to be 90 and 100, but because I don't want nobody taking care of me, y'all. That's just the thing about that. I really don't want nobody to have to take care of me and, you know, miss out on their life because they sitting around trying to take care of an old lady. But yeah, I sure want to be rocking in these rocking chairs though with BK until I'm old. Okay, y'all, I already got my grease hot, so I'm gonna put this little bread and stuff. This is my first time trying this, y'all, so I hope it's good. Put my little bread in, and y'all know I'm country. I'm gonna put my bread in a little bag and shake it on up and get it popping. But yeah, we had fun. Me and Gma and all of us was talking so much and stuff in our face. We really didn't have time to keep recording. I had to keep reminding myself to vlog. But what was I about to tell y'all? Oh yeah, and then we stayed there so late. That's why I was tired today, because we stayed there so late. Me, Miss Angie, Keo, and BK worshiping last night. So we really didn't, you know. I tried to get some rest because we got home at 2 o'clock in the morning, y'all. So I was trying to get some rest today, and Brianna woke me up at 6:30. Then after I get her back to sleep, my girls came in. So it's like I was not catching a break. But I ain't gonna complain though. So all day long, I've been running off of no sleep basically. And yeah, let me see, y'all. Is this stuff already? I want to see if it's already seasoned. Salt, spice, natural flavor. I'm gonna add my own little spice in this little bread. Some Lawry's seasoning salt. There you go, y'all. It ain't right if it ain't wise. And then I got some. Let me see. I don't think I'm gonna just put that. I'm gonna put a little nature seasoning in here too. Since I'm making hot wings, and I'm gonna be making lemon pepper wings with the olive oil and the store-bought lemon pepper, and add a little lemon to that thing. Bang bang. I hope it tastes good, y'all. This is my first time making this. The other day I broiled some wings in the oven with this little olive oil and the lemon pepper and lemon. And when I say it was so good, y'all, they was crispy like I like them. Because every time I go somewhere, I tell these people, can you fry my wings super hard? And everybody be looking at me like I'm crazy, like I'm asking them to do too much. But I do not like no little soggy chicken. And then y'all, I'm doing this right now. While I'm letting this cook, I'm going to start cleaning up my kitchen. Because you can't have no dirty kitchen. Start cleaning my kitchen up. Okay, y'all, I'm going to start putting it in here now. But yeah, we had fun. We was worshiping. It was just a good day. And yeah, you just get caught up in the moment. So that's basically what happened to why y'all didn't get a lot of the footage of what was going on yesterday. But y'all, I'm going to try to remember. Zaquetta was reminding me though. She was like, girl, go ahead and vlog. And helping me out so I can get it done, because you know I got these kids and this husband, and I be trying to eat and trying to rotate so my husband can eat, and it's a job being a parent, so I have to get it done the best way I know how, y'all. But yes, I've been watching the originals, y'all. I got me a new little show. I've been watching the originals with these little vampires and stuff, but y'all, what's crazy, I shouldn't even be watching this stuff. You know why I shouldn't be watching it? Because it's vampires and witches on there. And the whole time while I'm watching it, I'm rebuking these people and praying for them in the name of Jesus. So I know I shouldn't be watching it. And I ain't watched it all day. I said, I don't even know if I'm going to get back into it. I might just let it be. Because she ain't got time to be dealing with no demons. And they ain't going to be messing up my sleep and me getting right with the Lord. Because she can't go to hell for watching no vampires. But yeah, it is so good though. The storyline is like amazing. And I know a lot of people are gonna probably, you know, hate when I say this, but I like Klaus. I really like Klaus. Because I feel like they just, you know, Klaus was treated so bad as a child. And even though he's so tough, underlying he like a real deal sweetheart, wants to care for you. And I know that he really cared for his family, y'all. But you just gotta stop doing all this stuff. Like, you gotta sometimes just like relax. And Klaus just be flying off the handle. Elijah's real noble. I like that about him. Rebecca, she do a lot too. With this whole wanting to be in love and all of that. Which I understand that, because Klaus won't let her be with Marcel like she wanted to. And every time she get a taste of love, he just takes it from her. Oh yeah, y'all, I've been watching Insecure too. And my girl Issa, I don't care about y'all people on Facebook, all y'all dudes out here hating on Issa. I understand Issa not supposed to be doing this stuff because she making us look bad out here because we got her back. And she just out here doing this little ratchet stuff. Y'all can't see my little ponytail. Y'all, it's okay. But yeah, she out here just doing this little ratchet stuff. I'm like, come on, Issa, now we can't be out here defending you while you doing all this bad stuff. But Issa out here living her best life. I guess Issa says she don't care. But I do understand what y'all saying on Facebook with these debates about how Issa gonna tell Lawrence to get his life together, and she's sitting around with a 420 credit score and can't get no place to stay. But her expectations of him was all high and mighty. So I get what y'all fellas are saying, because I totally agree. Issa got to do better now. And I still don't like what Lawrence done came back. For everybody who was, you know, saying, oh, I ain't watching no more. Lawrence is back on this new episode. But you know what? Me and my husband spotted the dude off of Dominant from The Flash. I knew the new dude and her love interest on the show. Issa's love interest. What is his name? Nathan. I think his name Nathan on the show with Issa, but his name is Dominic on The Flash, and he played on some more shows. The Vampire Diaries. I remember him as Jesse on there. I said he looked real familiar. Why I keep saying it, and it's the eyes that keep making you remember, like how it stand out basically, like let you know you done seen him somewhere before. But yeah, he was Dominic, and the man got into, you remember the man got into his body, y'all. Don't act like y'all don't know what I'm talking about. The man got into his body on that show. And he wanted to use his body. He jumping bodies. But yeah. So yeah, that's basically what I've been watching. And Love and Hip Hop done got so ratchet to Hollywood. And Ray J just out here stirring mess up. He had no business doing what he was doing. Telling on Safari and having Safari pop up like that. He started that whole mess like he just had to tell. I said, I ain't never seen Ray J act that womanish. He had like a whole lady. I said, you should have just did what your wife said and let him find out, or let him tell him on his own instead of messing up friendships. I feel like that wasn't their place. As a friend, you shouldn't have to pick one side over the other or make him, you should let him get it on his own time. If he did say or do that, you should let that man came out and said that stuff and figure out how he was going to tell A1 that. But I guess you can't make people have class, and Ray J just really want to start some mess. She was acting like he was a concerned friend. Like, oh, I just can't keep seeing A1 and not tell him blah, blah. I'm like, boy, bye. It's a storyline. And right now, nobody don't care nothing about you and little princess. They storyline so boring. I don't know what this is in this chicken. Y'all think it's a vein. And I don't know how I feel about that. And again, y'all, my little chicken is cooking. And I hope it tastes real good. Because lately I'll be trying to eat healthy and buy better food. So I'll be boiling and baking my stuff. Oh yeah, y'all need to try like the baked chicken in the oven. I don't put no water in mine. I just use butter. And I season it with the Lawry's and the Nature Seasoning and bell peppers and onions. And I cover it up with the aluminum foil. Y'all, when I tell y'all that's some good eating, I ain't playing. You better try it. And then let me know in the comment section how you liked it. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out what else can I talk to y'all about. It be so much going on, y'all. With me and these little kids of mine. I be getting busy. And once I start watching the show, like I'm fully into that show. And the originals got so many different seasons. So that's what I've been tied up in for like the longest. That's what I've been doing. Hold on, y'all. I'm flipping this chicken, trying to get it right. Y'all seen this little, you know, I was off the grid watching the originals, and when I popped back up online, guess what I seen? I done seen Cardi B and Nicki Minaj little supposedly fight, but they say it was Ra Ali who she was fighting with. They say it was Ra Ali, and it wasn't Nicki, that they didn't even get into no fight with each other. So I'm just like, Nicki out here doing all this talking off, and Nicki fans don't come for me. But excuse me, Nicki fans out here doing all this something not for her, but they need to tell Nicki the truth. That Nicki always starting some mess, throwing a rock and hiding her hand is what she be doing. And people really out here, like Cardi said, it wasn't one thing, it was multiple things that led to the reason why she popped it off on her. You don't talk about nobody's kids, you don't mess with their money, how they eat. You just don't do that stuff, and Nicki be around here selling out. Like always selling out too. Around here selling out, and then acting like she don't be doing after the same thing she did with Remy and everybody else. And I actually like Nicki music. I ain't no big fan of her, but I'm not biased either to where I'm gonna just pick and choose a side. So y'all, that's basically what I've been doing this weekend. I don't know, I think I want to do something to my hair. I'm tired of like this little ponytail, if y'all can see. I'm tired of my little ponytail, so I think I might end up plaiting my hair or doing me a ponytail, side pony to the back. and be all cute like. I know I got the game on Sunday, and I may be going to my mother-in-law's gospel thing at church, the gospel concert. So yeah, I'm gonna need to do my hair because I got places to go and people to see. But yes, y'all, I'm gonna come back with another vlog and let y'all know how this stuff turned out. So like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I have more videos coming for you soon. Peace.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now I'm getting rich. I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit. Yeah, you can't tell me. Yeah.